Now let us see how to write the sample spaces. Here you can see when you toss one coin, you will either get a head or a tail. So the sample space represented by capital S equal to brace bracket capital H comma capital T and brace bracket closed. Next is tossing of two coins. Now when you toss two coins, both the coins together, you will either get both heads or you will get head on the first one, tails on the second one, or tails on the first one, heads on the second one, or both will be tails. So here you are going to get the sample space 4 outcome, that is HH, HT, TH and TT. So this is the sample space of tossing two coins. Now the sample space of 3 coins, you are tossing 3 coins. So it will be first HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, all the different combinations, and this comes out to be 8. How to find out the total number of combinations? Now we are tossing the coin. Coin is having how many total outcomes? 2, either head or tails. So 2, and since there are 3 coins, so 2 raised to 3, that is 8. When we toss 2 coins, it was 2 raised to 2, that is 4 outcomes. So you have to make yourself a particular method of writing these sample spaces. All the options should be available over here. Now when we are rolling a die, okay, a single dice, then the sample space is written as S is equal to capital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, that is the total 6 outcome. Now suppose we are rolling 2 dice, so the sample space will be 1, 1, the first one is having 1, second also 1, first 1, second 2. So like this 1, 1, 1, 2 till 1, 6, and then 2, 1, 2, 2 till 2, 6. So like this full 36 outcomes will be there in the sample space. And because the dice has got 6 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is why 6 raised to 2, because there are 2 dice. 6 raised to 2 is 36. So total 36 outcomes you can see here on the screen. Now let us get familiar with the pack of cards. Now a pack or a deck of cards has got total 52 cards, out of which 26 are black and 26 are red. Now these 26 black cards can further be divided into 13 club and 13 spade cards. You can see the figure of club and spade. Now these 26 red cards can again further be divided as 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. Again the shape of heart and diamond is given. So you can see there are total 26 black cards and 26 red cards. There are total 13 club cards, 13 spade cards, 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. Now let us see further each of these 13 cards, how they are. You have A, that is ace, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers are written. Then you have J, which means jack, you have Q, which means queen, and you have K, which means king. So each of these 13 cards, that 13 spades will have these 13, 13 club will have these 13, 13 heart will have these 13, and 13 diamond also will have these 13 cards. So 13 fours becomes 52. Now this what I have written in green over here, that is the ace, that is Ikka. Ace, jack, queen and the king, these are known as face cards. These are known as face cards. So each of these 13 cards has got 4 face cards. So total 4 face cards in the entire deck will be 4 into 4, that is 16. And how many black face cards? 8. How many red face cards? 8. So this you should be able to analyze when they ask you while solving the question. So this particular deck should be totally clear to you. How many kings? 4 kings. 2 red and 2 black. How many spade king? Only 1. So this you should be very well versed with the pack of cards.